The InvisiBrake is a towed braking system that uses electricity from the brake signals in the motorhome to brake the towed vehicle, providing additional protection to help avoid an accident. When the brake lights of the motorhome are activated, the standard yellow and green wires provide power to the InvisiBrake, activating the air cylinder that pulls down the brake pedal. Please note, this video is intended to simplify the installation and may not include every step in the normal process. Always refer to the printed instructions for all cautions, warnings, and other pertinent information before attempting an InvisiBrake installation. Planning your InvisiBrake install is key to a hassle-free installation that saves time and effort for the installer and avoids potential issues for the customer. Always check your existing lighting. Check the lighting on the vehicle by pulling the vehicle up behind the motorhome and connecting the tow lighting electrical cord between the two vehicles.
Left turn, the right turn. Alright, brakes. Okay.
Do not connect the tow bar and the safety cables, or you may experience a false ground. Choose a mounting location for the controller. Under the driver's seat is usually the best spot, with a good alternate spot being under the passenger seat. If mounting under the seat, make certain that the unit will not impede adjustments of the seat. Choose a mounting location for the brake pedal clamp. After installation, full and complete brake pedal travel is key. As such, it should be mounted as low as possible on the brake pedal arm. Choose a mounting location on the firewall for the pulley. It needs to be positioned directly in line with the L-shaped brake pedal clamp so the cable aligns directly to the center of the pulley wheel, or poor braking will result. The pulley must be mounted on a flat surface and directly to metal. Pulley Bracket Kit 8700-PBC will solve this issue. Choose a mounting location for the cable anchor bracket and cable assembly. Wherever you choose to mount this assembly, the spot must ensure the cable housing has no more than a 90-degree radius on each turn, or poor braking will result. Now you are ready for the installation. Attach both sides of the pedal clamp using the supplied hardware and then attach the adjuster sleeve to the pedal clamp. Route the cable over the pulley and then position the pulley. Make adjustments as needed so the cable's in a straight line with the pulley, and then use the supplied hardware to secure the pulley. Tighten the brake pedal clamp using the supplied hardware. Make sure the cable is in a straight line to the pulley and that there isn't any slack in it. Move the cable anchor bracket forward or backward until the ball is clearly visible. Using the supplied hardware, secure the cable anchor bracket. Double check that securing the cable anchor bracket did not inadvertently cause the brakes to be applied. Insert the check valve in T, positioning the valve so the barbed fitting with the red band is closest to the engine and that the arrow on it is pointing toward the engine. Press the 1/4-inch rubber vacuum hose over the bottom of the T. Make certain the connections are secure, or loss of braking power could occur. Attach the 4-wire electrical harness to the controller unit. Route the other end under the dash and through the hole in the firewall, and attach it to the towed car wiring harness that comes from the motorhome. Install the new breakaway using the supplied hardware. Attach the 4-wire flat harness with a 6-pin connector to the controller unit. Route the harness to the vehicle's aftermarket tow light harness. Find a convenient point to attach the wires to that harness. Use the supplied hardware to secure the controller to the spot you chose earlier. Install the monitor harness by choosing a spot for the 15-foot harness. Route the other end of the harness through the engine compartment in the firewall using an existing hole if available. Find the cold side of the brake light switch, remove the switch's fuse, and tap into the switch to power the monitor's LED. Reinstall the fuse. Now reattach the door trim, paneling, or carpeting over the vacuum line, cable housing, and electrical wiring from the controller unit. InvisiBrake includes a monitor that is attached to the dash of the motorhome. Please note, if the motorhome is equipped with an extra circuit, you may wish to use that circuit to save time on the installation. Now choose an area on the dash of the motorhome to mount the LED. Wherever you choose, it should be easily seen by the driver. Drill a 5/16" hole and install the LED, ensuring you don't damage engine components as you're drilling. Connect the audio signal circuit board to the LED and both components to the black wire from the rear of the motorhome. Connect the monitor wire patch cord between the two vehicles. Please note, if in the previous step you use the extra circuit, this step is not necessary. The installation is complete, but first let's test the critical components of this system. Confirm braking in both vehicles.
Yeah, left turn. The right turn. Alright. Brakes. Okay.
Confirm the motorhome monitor is functioning. Confirm the extended braking protection is functioning, as well as the audio alert. Adjust the braking pressure as needed. If the motorhome's LED is not lit, you need more pressure. And the installation is complete. We hope this video has provided helpful information for all future installations.